Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with small effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to send a message on your iPhone and you want to lay emphasis on part of the message by making the part of the message small, then this video is going to show you how you can do this on your iPhone running the latest iOS 18. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to send message with small effect on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the iMessage app and select the contact where you want to send the message to with small effect. Then highlight part of the message where you want to add the small effect in this case. So let me just highlight this. Once highlighted, scroll through this and then locate text effect and click on that. Now, once you selected text effect, then under text effect, you see small. So go ahead and select small. What this does is it's going to reduce the size of the message or text from big to small while the message is sent. And once it's highlighted, if you see it highlighted here, then go ahead and hit the send button. Then this is how the message is going to be sent, and then you see the small effect added to the message. So that is basically how to send message with small effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.